Starting a business with a limited budget may seem daunting, but trust me, it's totally doable. So, you've got this brilliant idea, right? Well, let's make it happen without breaking the bank. First things first, prioritize your expenses. Invest in what truly matters: a killer website, quality branding, and targeted marketing. Remember, less is more. Next up, networking is key. Attend events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Collaboration is the name of the game. Now, let's talk about guerrilla marketing. Get creative with your promotions. Think outside the box. Social media is your best friend. Utilize it wisely to reach a wider audience without spending a fortune. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. Share your journey, your struggles, and your successes. Authenticity resonates with people of all ages. Lastly, stay focused and be resilient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your startup. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Remember, success is not about the size of your budget, but the size of your determination. So, go out there and make it happen. You've got this.
Running a small business in today's digital age can be both challenging and rewarding. When it comes to marketing, the digital landscape offers endless opportunities to reach your target audience effectively. In this video, we'll dive into the world of digital marketing for small businesses, exploring strategies that can help you boost your online presence and grow your brand. First and foremost, having a strong online presence is crucial. Your website is often the first point of contact for potential customers, so make sure it's user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and showcase your products or services. Email marketing is another powerful tool for small businesses. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your customers, share promotions, and keep them informed about your latest offerings. Personalize your emails to make your audience feel valued and connected to your brand. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads or social media ads, can help you target specific demographics and reach a wider audience. By carefully crafting your ad campaigns and monitoring their performance, you can maximize your return on investment and drive more traffic to your website. Don't underestimate the importance of content marketing. Creating high-quality, relevant content not only establishes your expertise in your industry, but also helps improve your search engine rankings. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, content is king in the digital marketing world. Lastly, don't forget about the power of analytics. By tracking key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement, you can gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Use this data to refine your strategies and make informed decisions moving forward. In conclusion, digital marketing offers endless possibilities for small businesses to thrive in today's competitive market. By leveraging the right strategies and staying consistent with your efforts, you can elevate your brand, attract new customers, and ultimately achieve your business goals. So, embrace the digital world, get creative with your marketing, and watch your small business soar to new heights. As a new entrepreneur, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of starting your own business. But let me tell you, there are some common mistakes that many beginners make that can hinder your success. First off, one big blunder is not doing enough market research. You need to understand your target audience, competition, and industry trends to make informed decisions. Trust me, diving in blindly can lead to costly errors down the road. Another pitfall is trying to do everything yourself. Yes, you're passionate and capable, but wearing all the hats can lead to burnout and subpar results. Delegate tasks, outsource when needed, and focus on what you do best. Next up, neglecting a solid business plan. It's like trying to navigate a ship without a map. A well-thought-out plan will guide your actions, help secure funding, and keep you on track towards your goals. And let's not forget about underestimating the importance of marketing. Your product or service may be top-notch, but if no one knows about it, how will you succeed? Invest time and resources into effective marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Lastly, don't ignore the power of networking. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs, mentors, and potential clients can open doors you never knew existed. Don't isolate yourself. Connect, learn, and grow. So, fellow entrepreneurs, learn from these common mistakes and pave your path to success. Stay informed, delegate wisely, plan meticulously, market strategically, and network relentlessly. Remember, every misstep is a lesson in disguise. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.